If you are a student in 2026, you don't need to know 50 different AI tools. You just need to know which AI tool is best for which problem. But I do think there are a few that are genuinely useful for students, and each one is good at something slightly different. So today I'm going to go through the best 5 AI tools that I think students should know about in 2026. And if you are completely new to AI, don't worry because I'm going to keep everything really simple. So let's get started. So the first one is Notebook LM. And honestly, I think this is probably one of the best places for a student to start if you are new to AI. The reason I like Notebook LM is that it's very focused on your own study materials. So, for example, let's say you have got a lecture presentation from your professor, or maybe you have got a PDF textbook, some research papers, lecture notes, or other documents that you need to study. Normally, you would have to go through all of these documents yourself and try to find the important information. But with Notebook LM, you can upload your sources here and then actually ask questions about them, such as summarize this lecture into simple study notes and give me the most important points I need to remember for my exam. Here, another really cool feature is mind maps. Notebook LM can turn your source material into a detailed mind map. And if you are someone who learns better by listening rather than reading, Notebook LM also has an audio podcast style feature that can turn your source material into an engaging discussion. So, if you're completely new to AI and you are thinking, okay, what's one tool I should start with? I think Notebook LM is a really good place to start. Now, number two is ChatGPT. And I'm sure most of you already know ChatGPT, but I think a lot of students are using it in a very basic way. They ask a question, get an answer, and move on. But one of the best ways you can use ChatGPT as a student is actually as a personal tutor. For example, let's say you are studying economics and there's a topic you just don't understand. Instead of simply asking, explain economics, you can tell ChatGPT exactly how you want to learn. For example, act as my personal economics tutor, explain this topic in simple English, give me a real life example, and then quiz me one question at a time. And now you are not just receiving information, you are actually learning through a conversation. You can also upload your lecture notes and ask ChatGPT to create a study plan, revision questions, flashcards, or a mock exam. So, if you want one AI tool that can help you with learning, brainstorming, writing, planning, and general questions, ChatGPT is probably the best all rounder on this list. Now, number three is Perplexity, and this is the tool I would recommend you when you need to research something online because there's a difference between asking, teach me this topic, and asking, help me research this topic and find useful sources. Let's say you have an assignment about how artificial intelligence is changing digital marketing. You could ask Perplexity, research how AI is changing digital marketing, give me the major trends, recent examples, and reliable sources that I can read. Perplexity searches the web and gives you an answer with sources you can explore. And I think this is particularly useful when you're studying an assignment and don't really know where to begin. You can ask what are the main areas I should research for this topic. Then you can take those areas and investigate them further. And here's something really important. Don't just copy what Perplexity gives you. Actually open the sources, read them, check whether they support the information. Especially for academic work, you want to use the original sources and follow your university citation requirements. Now, number four is Canva. And you might be thinking, Canva, isn't that just for graphic design? Well, yes, but that's exactly why I think it's useful for students. Because sooner or later, you're probably going to have to create a presentation, poster, infographic, diagram, or visual project. And instead of starting from a completely blank page, Canvas AI features can help you get started much faster. Let's say your assignment is about climate change. You could first use ChatGPT to help you research the topic and create your presentation structure. For example, create a 10-slide presentation outline about climate change for university students, and then write a prompt for Canva. Then you can take that prompt into Canva and turn it into a proper presentation. Then you can customize the text, images, colors, fonts, layouts, or other elements. You can also use Canva for things like infographics and diagrams when you want to explain a complicated concept visually. And I think this combination is really powerful. ChatGPT for ideas and content, Canva for visual presentation. So you don't have to expect one AI tool to do absolutely everything. Use the right tool for the right part of the job. And finally, we have Purify Text. This one is a little different from the other tools because if you're using AI to help you draft something, sometimes the writing can sound a little too formal or unnatural. You might get repetitive words, awkward sentence or wording that simply doesn't sound like something you would normally say. And that's where Purify Text can be useful as a writing refinement tool. For example, imagine you've written your own paragraph, but the sentences don't sound natural. You can use it to help make the writing clear, smoother, and easier to read. That's the kind of thing I think is actually useful for students, especially if English isn't your first language. You can write your ideas yourself and then use a tool like Purify Text to help polish the language. But there's an important distinction here. Don't use a tool like this to hide AI-generated assignments or bypass academic integrity rules. Use it to improve your own writing and make your ideas clear and more natural. So those are the 5 best AI tools every student should know in 2026. Pick the one that solves the biggest problem you are currently having and start there. And if you already use another AI tool for studying that I didn't mention, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Initial Solution for more simple AI and tech tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.